In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in Hubspot. To begin, open the editor where you want the table to appear. This can be a website page, a blog post, or an email. Once you are in the correct editor, take a moment to confirm you are working on the right piece of content, since tables are often used for things like simple pricing layouts, feature comparisons, or neatly organized information. Next, click directly into the rich text module where you want the table to go. It is important to place your cursor in the exact spot you want the table inserted, because Hubspot will add it right where the text cursor is active. If you already have text in the module, you can click between lines or at the end of a sentence to control where the table appears. If the module is empty, just click inside it so the toolbar options become available. Now go up to the Rich Text toolbar and click Insert, then choose Table. This opens a small grid selector. Hover your mouse over the grid to choose the number of rows and columns you need. As you move across the grid, you will see the selection area highlight to show the table size you are about to insert. When the highlighted grid matches your desired layout, click once to insert the table into the rich text area. After the table is inserted, click inside any cell. This is an important detail because clicking inside a cell reveals the table options bar. From that options bar, you can make quick adjustments like adding rows, adding columns, or applying background colors. This is helpful when you want headers to stand out, or you need to expand the table after seeing it in place. As you fill in your content, you can click from cell to cell and type just like you would in a spreadsheet, keeping text short and consistent for a clean look. When you are satisfied with the table and its formatting, go to the top right and click Save or Publish to apply your changes. Saving is a good choice if you are still reviewing the page, and publishing is the final step when you are ready for it to go live. And that covers everything you need to know.